And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Let's talk about something important. Put that coffee down.
I'm not here to waste your time.
Where else you gonna have this much fun?
You the man. You the man.
Todd Father.
Show me the money.
What I've been doing, had to triple my bag. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Yeah. Had to triple my bag.
60% of the time, it works every time.
That doesn't make sense.
Well, it's no trick to make a lot of money. All you want is to make a lot of money.
Hey, welcome. Hopefully we're good to go here. Give a little bit of time, get a few more people in here. What's up, Johnny, Dirk, Zimmy Jim? What up? Carrie's in here. Wanted to give an update because I mentioned late in the week that our stock indicators had gotten overbought. So I want to discuss that. Kind of turned crypto lower as well over the weekend. What's up, John Sauser? So nobody's complaining. I guess my video and my audio is okay. I do have a camera not working, but we won't worry about that. What's up, Rob? So first, let's go back. Throw in a couple of charts here on the stocks real quick. Here's the SPY. I think these stock charts are kind of important. In the red, I've got overbought technometer readings, and you can see we got one of those last Thursday on the SPY. We keep getting these at lower levels. We've had 4 here on the way down. We tested a week and a half ago's high Thursday, Friday. Looks like we've turned it down again today. So that looks a little bearish. We need to get above a high where we had a previous sell signal to try to put in some type of bottom. If we go to our Wyckoff Wave Growth Index, same type of thing. We did poke above Friday on this chart, which is a little bit encouraging. But again, the overbought technometer readings are giving us progressively lower sells. We've got to stop that. And if you're into Elliott Wave, I know they're looking at really a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and we're ready to collapse into a wave 3. But there's also a way of showing it an ending diagonal that I've shown here, where the low's already in place, and we're going to continue to dig out of here, even in the face of an overbought technometer. So you can possibly see this count here. I've got an Elliott Wave count on the Russell 2000. The wave 3 ends. We have an ABC down, ABC up, and an ending diagonal. So again, if markets hold up here this week, technometers come down to oversold, I think you're going to want to encourage some bullish counts to the upside on stocks and crypto. But if we fall apart here, then we're probably going to be in trouble here. So currently, as I said, Wednesday, Thursday, technometers getting overbought. Let's look at the DIA, the Dow Jones ETF, same type of thing. Progressively lower sells. But again, this could be an ending diagonal here on June 17th. So its count's pretty sloppy here, but we will watch that. Now if we go to Bitcoin, USD, consolidated, you can see here, again, we got the sell reading on the 6th, an overbought technometer. It was around 20,000. It was around 21,800 when we got the sell. The blue lines depict a new low in the OP while price held. That gave us a rally into that 22 too high over the weekend. So again, we've got to sell here. It matters how we count this rally from June 17th. So I do want to show that. We're going to go back to, this was a chart I've been showing after the lows, that the breakdown here to 17.6 was a major low. We had a purple wave 1, an ABC down for a wave 2, and we're working for much higher in a wave 3. So if that bullish count stands, and that means we're working on another 5 waves up, and we'll keep working higher. So we want to show that. But that would mean here that we have to hold these levels over the next week while stocks fall. I'm not sure we can do that, but we're going to watch for that. If for some reason stocks pull back, their technometers get oversold and friendly, and Bitcoin holds this 20,000, 21,000 level, then I think you want to get prepared for a move above 22.4 and a nice rally. If not, then we're going to have to bring down this ABC and say that this whole rally was an ABC completed there Saturday, and we're starting to stair step lower. That would mean we're going to another new low. But for that to happen, I think stocks have got to fall as well. So, Leno Mac, the software is still only available to stock people. The crypto software is not available to subscribers. Only way you can really get it is inside the Patreon Discord and have me update it. One interesting chart is also the TLT, U.S. Treasury 20-year. Let's go about a 6-month chart. Been in a steep downtrend. You will see her coming into Friday's close. We had a extremely oversold technometer. We're down here at 33.6 today. That looks like we're going to continue this rally that started today. That would probably mean that recession worries is hitting everybody, which should help growth stocks, which possibly then could help crypto. So again, TLT looks good off of Friday's low and a good rally today, which hopefully then get this S&P chart, as I've already showed. Hopefully we hold up, we come down here and get another oversold technometer as we hold somewhat higher levels, and then we'll be ready to take out these 2 red dot resistance levels. But again, for right now, Wednesday, Thursday, we went to overbought. I'm in corrective mode. I think we sell off this week, and let's just see how quick these technometers pull back and if price holds. If that happens, then I think we're ready for a good rally. If it doesn't, then we're going to go back down and test these lows in the stocks. I don't really think we're going to go to a new low. I think we've had sentiment's been pretty bad. I tweeted some things on the Twitter account, the stock Twitter account. I think I retweeted on crypto, on the Wyckoff on crypto Twitter, that there's a lot of reasons that we've had pretty bearish sentiment already. Again, Elliott Wave's looking for 3 of 3 of 3 here, but there is an alternate account that the first wave's down, even if we're in a extremely bearish market, is still a leading diagonal. If that's the case, and that's more so what I've been leaning to, because I thought we was trying to make a low here, what that means then is this could be the first wave down of an ABC, could be the first wave down of 5 waves down. If nothing else, we could rally out of here and come up here and visit like the 420s, the 4260 level, 4300 level on the S&P, even if you're bearish. And again, on the stock side, the extreme bullish count would be this chart that I showed. Wave 3 ended here February 10th, February 9th. We had an ABC, ABC, and then 5 waves down ending. That'd be a large red ABC, and we're ready for stocks to go to new all-time highs. So that's still on the table if we can dig out of here. For the dollar index, all I really got is I can show the UUP, which I usually show in my weekend reviews. It does look like still that I still think we're making a high here, or maybe sideways to lower for a week and then another minor new high, but I still think the dollar could be making a top here, which is going to be good for crypto. What up, Big House? Let's go back to Zcash, Tether consolidated. Bring that chart up here. Looks like I don't have anything marked on it. Wait for the indicators to load. You see new lows in the LP for the whole move. Price is moving with it. Technometer was near oversold, but we're working back at 47.66, so not much to add here. I'd watch the Bitcoin chart, see if it can get set up for higher, and also these stocks. If we go back to the Bitcoin Tether consolidated, again, quite a bit of volume came in there on July 7th with the overbought technometer. This went from about 54 down to 48, but we're going to have another 3 or 4 days of weakness and see if any of these volume readings can get oversold, give us another chance to rally. Here's COTI. What's up, Tyson? Let the software load the indicators here real quick. .0923. Technometer right around neutral. New lows on the OP, really even today, so I would think definitely lower still another 3 or 4 days on Cody, and then we can see if that low holds. Again, I still think stocks and the crypto in general lower this week. Atom, Tether, Binance. Hold on, let me make sure I got the right one I want to bring up. Yeah, Atom, Tether, Binance. I'll bring up a 6-month chart, Sauser on Atom. I've not updated the Atom chart here, so let me see what we look like here. I mentioned before May 10th, May 11th looked like selling climaxes and a lot of these things with a big volume. We did have an oversold technometer around 8.27. Not much to add. I'd be a buyer in the next 3 or 4 days. GBTC is not on my software. I cannot bring that one up. You're welcome, Tyson. Thanks for the support. Let's look at Ethereum. Tether consolidated. Again, looks like selling climaxes there, June 11th, 12th, 13th. Close to oversold on June 29th, but didn't really get there. We're 42.77. Again, Elliott wave, it's hard to count this. Maybe it's 1, 2, and we're doing another 1, 2. So again, if we show some strength here in the next 3 or 4 days, indicators get a little more friendly. We might then get a really good rally going to the upside. I would think with all the news with 3 arrows and Celsius and some of these, BlockFi, all these, that we can, we definitely have shook in the trees. A lot of people have, I think, packed up and went home. Here's SOL, Tether Consolidated, Solana. Last time I was live, we showed we had a buy there on June 12th near the lows. Currently 42.9. So again, another 3 days lower could set that up for another purchase if you've got some extra cash. Let's go back to stocks real quick. IBM's one that's been holding up. I've been trying to be long that one. Got stopped out on the weakness there middle of last week. This chart's holding up very nicely on IBM. That's one to watch. Microsoft, I've mentioned before. Microsoft, let's go out to a 3-year chart here. We had a major divergence going back into the lows on June 2nd of last year. It looks like 242, 250, 260 is major support. We did come down and do that in this ending diagonal as I've marked. So Microsoft is one that I think will lead us higher when we get going to the upside. Definitely want to watch that one. Let me run my disclaimer real quick. Hold on.
There is a high degree of risk involved in trading cryptocurrencies. Our thoughts and ideas are for entertainment purposes only. Please consult your personal advisor or do your own research. Past results are not indicative of future returns. Thank you.
What up, Slime Cuda? So again, that's short and sweet. That's really all I've got. So to recap real quick for anybody just getting here, stocks gave us an overbought reading last Thursday or so. It looks like we're headed down for this week in stocks and crypto. To be bullish, they really need to hold up here while we get some sell volume to come in. If that's the case, we could get some nice setups. But I think if you're looking to buy, you want to wait here a few more days, get a little more weakness here. We'll see how these things set up. So I'll try to get back live again if I get close to a good setup. Otherwise, join patreon.com/learncrypto. LearnCrypto.io if you're looking for a course. wyckoffsmi.com. We've redone the websites, launched some apps, launched a course in China and a website. I just did an Arabic course, Wyckoff Unleashed Beginners, so check those out. As usual, I'm going to run a couple commercials, and then I'll be back in a day or so. Thank you.
Warren Buffett, American investor, business tycoon, and one of the wealthiest people in the world, once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." But how is that possible? Well, knowledge is power. In 2020, it is no longer news that cryptocurrencies are the currency of the digital future. Bitcoin's stability amidst unprecedented global economic impacts from COVID-19 has proven once again that crypto is here to stay. Learning how to trade, when to trade, and where to trade crypto assets can make the difference between success and failure. At LearnCrypto.io, we offer a pathway to sustainable and lifelong wealth by helping open-minded beginners and experienced traders navigate the thin ice of the cryptocurrency markets. Live shows, interviews, coin reviews, fundamental analysis, predictive trading bots, and open chat access to a community of real traders. These are just a few of the benefits you'll receive with a membership on patreon.com/LearnCrypto. Sign up today if you strive to build yourself a brighter tomorrow.
Welcome to the Wyckoff Stock Market Institute. Our institute was founded in 1931 by technical trader Richard D. Wyckoff, one of the titans of technical analysis. Wyckoff SMI has been the leader in teaching technical trading for the past 91 plus years. Thousands of traders have chosen to learn at Wyckoff SMI for its proven trading techniques and invaluable proprietary market indicators. Enroll today in our Wyckoff Unleashed online course and get access to 39 lessons and quizzes, 8 hours of lectures, our 559-page book, and a comprehensive final exam. You will also receive 90 days free to our Pulse of the Market charting software, as well as our Pro Traders stock groups. One of our alumni says, "In 1956, I became a Wyckoff SMI student under Bob Evans. By learning the Wyckoff method of trading, many have learned to trade intelligently and successfully. Keep up the good work." Or from another, "I value the training I received 4 decades ago from the SMI. Why wait? Register and begin your journey to becoming a successful trader investor. To get the best experience, download our Wyckoff SMI app and get started today."
We'll see you all again. Sleep tight.